Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I am back with the LW-PX700 and I promised you a video talking about advanced serialization. So today is that day. We're going to talk about the difference between basic and advanced serialization and when you should use it. So let's take a look. Now, we previously talked about basic serialization, which was giving us a chain of serialized number. Each label had a different number on it. With the advanced serialization, we're going to use that when we're applying serialized text to the same long label. So you're going to use that for block 66, patch panels, or faceplates. For this application, we're going to make a patch panel label. There's 12 blocks, and it's going to start with A01 and go up to A12. So let's go ahead and turn on that patch panel feature. So it's right here. I'm going to hit patch panel. Now it's giving me the option to either set the block length or the label length. So depending on the measurements you have handy or your application, you can go ahead and set that accordingly. I'm going to select blocks and I'm going to set them at 1/2 inch. So 0.5. Now the number of blocks, again, this one has 12, so I'm going to enter in 12. Perfect, hit return. The next option is the separator. So what, if anything, do you want between each of the blocks? I'm going to select line and hit return. And the last option is the orientation. So you can look around here. If you're not familiar with these, take a look at the few options because it's kind of cool to see the different orientations that you can set on these panels. For this one, I'm going to go with just standard horizontal and I'll hit return. Now you can see it's brought me to my patch panel, but it's all blank. Okay, so again, I need these to start at A01 and go up to A12. So I could certainly just type that in, but let's use that advanced serialize to save us the time. So we know where the serialize button is, it's right here. And to use the advanced serialize, we're going to use the shift key. So shift and the serialize button, and it says advanced serialize. So all we have to do here is enter in our starting number. Now I'm going to enter in A01. And this is important if you want 2 digits to add that 0 initially because it's not going to automatically add digits for you. So just be mindful of that. So I'm going to start with A01 and then I can hit return. Now it's going to ask me the repetition. So how many times do you want it to repeat that number? For this application, I only need it to repeat once. So I'm going to say that. Hit return, and now you'll see it's gone and it's applied that to my label, and it's going to bring me down to the bottom one so I can see the 12th one is A12. Perfect, easy peasy. Now all we got to do is print it. All right, and now I've got my panel label. That is how you serialize, advanced serialize, using the LW-PX700. If you have questions on this printer or any others in the lineup, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.